Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Bureau Hub. And in this video, we're gonna show you our technical analysis. That means technical analysis for the gold for the next week. That means Monday to Friday. So as you can see there is a weekly time frame selected. That means gold weekly time frame selected, and it just showing continuous buy on the chart, and market is one on buy trend. Okay, this is no doubt equation. Market is on buy trend. So we need to analyze the market with the buy trend or buy perspective. So if I select on a daily time frame, as you can see there is a daily time frame selected over here, and market is also on buy trend on daily time frame. Okay, it just trying to push down from last few days, that means last week, from the last week. And as you can see there, market just touch in last week all-time high. Okay, so it just trying to go down, and again in the last day, that means in last Friday's market is trying to push up. Okay, so let's get started with H4 time frame analysis. So if we check H4, market is trying to go up. Let me zoom in little bit more, and as you can see there is a trend line from H4 and H1 both, and it just trying to follow the line, and it just send us a buy confirmation over here, and it just trying to go up. Okay, so if we select H1 time frame to get more smaller or sharper view, so as you can see there, I just want to start with support and resistance zone. Okay, as you can see there is a support zone, there is another resistance zone, and another resistance zone. This one is all-time high. Okay, all-time high. Okay, and that one is currently market is trying to reach. And as you can see there, if I zoom in little bit more, so as you can see there, market just toss one time, get back again, and two time here, and then get back again and trying to touch again here. That means this one is powerful. If we zoom out little bit more, as you can see there, previously market was touched many time. Market has touched many time at that line, and it just failed to break. Or if we have a final breakout over here, it just trying to go up, or it was very powerful. Okay, and in that way, if it break that, it will fly. Okay, otherwise if we get any sell confirmation around that area, for long run we will take sell entry from there. Okay, so and if we especially talk about support and resistance zone, and as you can see there, this is all-time high. Market go back from that area, that means there is something in this area. So you have to keep your eyes on this area. That means 2483 zone. Okay, and 1 and 2 and third time market just go up around that area. So this one is also an important area. Okay, and this one, as you can see, the 1 2 3 time over here, and it's just trying to go here and here. As you can see, it's just trying to reach this area. That means if we go on H1, that means 2389 area. If it can break that area, it will fly. Okay, for sure. And if it unable to break, or if it give us a confirmation to go sell, we will sell around that area, around 2389 to 2390. Okay, then we have a massive sell around 2334 or 2350. Okay, so we will update each and every day on market during the market move, or during the Monday to Friday. Okay, so if we think about the trend line now, so as you can see there, I just draw one, and second one is here trend line. Okay, if it go around that area to that area, so we have to think, or we have to keep our eyes on that area. For what? For breakout, or for go down from that area. Okay, this is a key zone, and this is another key zone. Let me make it sharper. This is a key zone, key 1, and sorry, this is key 2, and this is key 1. This is that 2 area is zone for buy or sell. So we have to keep our eyes on that area if we want to long-term entry like buy or sell. Okay, so you may thinking about what we will do on Monday. So if you see our yesterday's analysis, that means Saturday's analysis, I already posted a fundamental analysis on our YouTube and Telegram also. You may know that Monday there is no major news, so market will move very sideways. So we have to trade depend on technical analysis. No fundamental thing works on market tomorrow, so we have to think the market, or we have to justify the market depend on technical analysis. So if I go on my favorite time frame M15, so as you can see there, if we draw a trend line over here, that means that's from now we will analyze for the only for Monday. Okay, so forget all of that support and resistance. For now we will talk with that area, that resistance zone and that trend line zone. Okay, that 1 and 2 reference. Okay, with 2 reference with we are talking right now. So as you can see there, it just go, as I said previously, it just go up. Let me make it yellow. It just go up, down, again up, again down. 2-time break from that area. So if we get another confirmation to go sell from this area, we will take sell entry for a scalping or swing entry. Okay, and if it reaches around that area, we will see the market movement, or we will see the candles movement or candles characteristic. Then we will decide the buy or sell. And final buy and buy and sell, we will post analysis on our Telegram channel. If you especially see this video from YouTube, you may join our Telegram channel, our link in the description box. Okay, so these two key area around 23892 2390, and that one is maybe it's around 2380 to 2382 or 81. Okay, that area buy sell for Monday's starting market, and market will move sideways today for Monday for sure. So you have to keep your eyes on technical analysis, or you have to trade based on technical analysis, because there is no major news on Monday. Okay, and if there any breakout happened, like boom boom, okay, as you can see there is a breakout and again pullback, so we have to take entry on the pullback with double confirmation, like pin bar confirmation, in engulfing confirmation, hammer confirmation to go bullish. Okay, we can take buy entry over there. If we take buy entry over there, our TP should be around 2404, and our entry, if our entry around 2390, there is a lot of thing to go. That means 2390 around 140 pips over here. Okay, from that area to this area. Okay, 140 pips. So if we take risk to reward ratio 1:3, that means if our TP suppose 150 pips and due the 1:3 risk reward ratio, our SL should be 50 pips. Okay, this is TP, this is SL. Okay, 150 pips TP, only 50 pips SL in this particular area. And another scenario can be happen there is a hammer or pin bar confirmation to go sell. So we will take our SL around 802380 SL, and TP should be around 2380 if our sorry, this one is our TP. Okay, TP SL should be. So if we take entry around 2388, this is our entry. Okay, entry, and our TP 80, that means 80 pips, 80 pips TP. Okay, so due 1:3 risk reward ratio, our SL should be around 35 pips or 30 pips SL. So we will set our SL around above the entry around 35 pips or 30 pips. Okay, and there can be another scenario happening or happened on this area around 2380 or 2382. So if we take buy entry 2382, the same scenario, I always recommend you to take risk reward ratio 1:3, so you can succeed on your trading life or trading journey if we use 1:3, or if we can want to use 1:2. That means this is if this is how you can trade. You have to decide how much risk you want to take or how much reward you want to take. Okay, risk, this means for risk, this means for reward. Okay, RR. So hopefully all things is clear below. This video is going to much longer for now. If I want to discuss more about that will take 1 hour more. So I am making a course for everyone for free. So we will discuss from trash to advanced level. So maybe you are going to get the scores as soon as possible. So one more thing, that if you already joined our Telegram, thumbs up again, and if you don't join yet, then Telegram channel link in the video description. So that's for now. Happy trading, have a nice day.